This Jeep is ran in 2 zones off the controller, meaning that the lights on the driver's side are daisy chained together and the lights on the passenger side are wired together as well. But with XKalpha, you decide the zones. Go into the Configuration tab and click on Light Zone Map. It is already auto-assigned with the 2 sides of the Jeep. Let's make the rear wheel well its own zone. So I will select the 2 rock pods in that fender. Then we can do the front fender, so I will pick those 2 pods. Let's go ahead and put the headlight and fender vent in their own zone as well. After saving, we can go back to the palette page and can control each zone separately. You can add up to 10 different zones throughout the vehicle.